Okay, so I'm back with even more air conditioner videos. I'm just now finishing having an appointment with one of my therapists, and there's like a bunch of these air conditioners. Let me count them. There's some ductless units. There's like some little split air conditioners. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, at least 14. And what brand are they? They're Champion Heating and Cooling. They're Champion air conditioners. I've never heard of that brand. Tell me if you have in the comments, but there's the compressor down there. And I'm pretty sure this is brand new, because they just got done building this. And these are all Champion. These are all Champion air conditioners, I believe. Here's the compressor for this one. Oh yeah, this is a Gentech fan motor. And I don't know if I've ever heard of that. These are this one has a giant compressor. And those fan blades were spinning because of the wind. Right here, this one's running. This little ductless split air conditioner, it's an LG. It's extremely quiet. Oh my gosh. Cannot believe how quiet that is. But yeah, that's running. And there's this one and this one. And I've never heard of Champion Heating and Cooling before. Here's a look inside that one. These are not heat pumps. These are all just central AC. I have to make this quick because apparently this building is still under construction. But yeah, I've never heard of Champion before as for a brand of air conditioner. This one's a different color, but this one has a big compressor too. And there's this one. I'll just look at the model number quickly. Here's the data sheet. There's all that stuff. There's the compressor for that one. And this one. All these bigger ones have like giant compressors. It's a Champion too. Here's another ductless unit. It's a Champion too, but that has very big fan blades, as you can see right there. And here's another one. This is a Champion too. These are all Champions. And then, yeah, there's inside that one. And here's another little ductless unit, LG. And this one's not running right now. And it has this weird cover on it. I don't know why. But so does this one. This one is not running either. It's another LG. And so is this one. And this one is not running right now either. So yeah, there's like 14 of them. I counted them all. And all those are all Champion air conditioners. And I've never heard of that brand before. So hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye.